I can sing a happy song, clap my hands and hum along. I can run across the ground, jump up high and twirl around. I can draw with colors bright, paint a rainbow, what a sight! I can swim and splash the sea, kick my legs, look, that's me. I can dance and spin so free, move my arms just like a tree. I can help and share my toys, spread some smiles and happy noise. I can try and learn each day, grow in my own special way. Yes, I can, that's what I do. And you can do these things too.